Good morning, friends. Professor Shoyogi Patil here again. Welcome to my new video with a totally different subjects. So this is addressed to the general public as well as the students. So, my dear friends, do you know about what you know about the branding? Have you tried yourself to brand yourself to so that the people recognizes you? Brand, reputation, you might have heard about these words. So how to brand ourselves so that we become attractive to others and we became attractive in the employment market, the job market, the tough job market. So that I am going to discuss in this today's small video. So what is brand? So brand is something which create a want in the people of the people's mind. Brand is something which create a want. So they want to purchase it. They want to have it. They want to have it. So there are many brands. So in this consumeristic world, there are n number of brands. So n number of companies created their own brands. Sony is a brand. Samsung is a brand. Okay, Apple is a brand. iPod is a brand. iPhone is a brand. Then what else? So there are okay, the Lamborghini is a brand, the Jaguar is a brand, the Ferrari is a brand, Rolls Royce is a brand. So the the people just are willing to do anything to get those things, especially the high profile people. So all I spoke about the high profile people, the people who can be called as the winners, who can call as the success full people. They are all going for these brands. Why they are going for these brands? How these brands can be? His brands are generated. How the companies had come up with these brands? What is the psychology behind these brands? So that I wanted to discuss here, my dear friends. Because see, without a brand, you are nothing. Even for a human being also, without a brand, you are nothing. So nobody will give respect to you. Nobody will give you the value you deserve. If you however educated may be, however intelligent you may be, if you don't have your own reputation, that can be in human term, the reputation can be termed as a brand. So if you don't have earned that reputation or the brand, then nobody will bother about you. So what exactly the brand does? Brand add multiple value, like 10 time value, maybe 100 time value. For example, a simple juice of 30 rupees will be sold in a five-star hotel for 130, 150 rupees. Or a 2 rupees aerated bottle, which we call it as a cola or Fanta, cola or Pepsi or something like that, that has been sold for 15 rupees to 20 rupees. So, what is the why this multiple what you call it as the increase in the values? So 10 time, why we are paying willing to pay 10 time values? What is there in it? It is the branding that has been created. So, of course, the branding, to create that branding, there is a lot of effort, there are a lot of psychological advertisement, which create an urge in you to drink the cold drinks, to drink the particular kind of juice and all. Lot of effort has been gone behind the behind the scene by the advertisement companies. So even for electronic gadgets also, iPod is a brand today, Apple is a brand today, iPhones are a brand today, because lot of technological innovations has gone into it. So technological innovation. So the features you don't find in any other similar gadgets, you will find it in all those things. And the quality, they are known for their quality, that highest quality, what we call. They upgrade their quality from time to time whenever there is a technological upgradation in quality. For example, the audio. So there is a lot of technological upgradation, 4K sound, something like that. So So from time to time they upgrade their quality to meet the demand of the elite people, the most what you call it as a demanding people. We can call them as a demanding people, so that they demand a very higher price, the 10 times, 50 times, maybe 100 times more than the normal normal brand products. So today an iPhone costs 80,000, 90,000 lakhs and all, and people will queue up because they have created that perception that the having an iPhone is a status symbol. Every executive, every CEO, every who calls himself as the successful person, that what we call it as the creamy layer. So they will have this thinking that we need to have an iPhone. One or the other day, we need to have an iPhone. Similarly, the cars, the what I mentioned, Lamborghini, Jaguar, and all. You might have read in the newspaper. You might have read in the newspaper all our celebrities, cricket celebrities, film celebrities, movie celebrities. They all go for these branded this thing. Even though the technology they use the same, of course, updated technology, but they are costing the 10 to 100 times more than their counterparts from other brands. So there is a lot of effort has gone into creating that brand as well as advertising it using the psychology of the human being to create a perception so that the man desperately want those products. So similarly, my dear friends, it applies to human being also. Branding yourself as a brand who is recognized by everyone. So that is very, very important. How to brand yourself? I'm coming with another what you call it as a training, so which is known as employability skills, where I am going to discuss about the how you are going to brand yourself into most eligible job candidate. So just by your external appearance, as well as there is something called internal branding, there is something called external branding. So both by using the internal branding and external branding, attitude, skill, knowledge, and all, so you can create a brand of yourself, create a reputation in such a way that everybody wants to get an employee like you. Everybody wants to get an employee like you, and also after getting the employment, the company should not be willing to part with you. So you have to create that uh, need in the company, so that company is should not be willing to part with you. So that kind of brand you need to create. How to create all those brands and all, I'm going to come up with a training, my dear friends, very soon. So therefore, just to inform you, I'm making this video. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel, and we will meet you in the next video.